In this video, I'm going to show you what keywords your website is ranking for right from within WordPress. Welcome to All In One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to show you how to figure out what keywords your site is ranking for. If you want to read about this subject, instead of watching this video, you can check out the companion blog post at AIOSEO.com titled, "What Keywords is My Site Ranking For?" I'll drop in a link directly to that post in the description below this video. That post gets into a little bit more of the why you want to know this. In this video, we're going to dive right in to how you find out what keywords you're ranking for. One way you can figure out what keywords your website is ranking for is to log into your Google Search Console and have a look. You can Google Search Console. You can click on the link for Google Search Console, and then click on Start Now. And if you're logged into your Google account, it'll bring you right into Google Search Console, into the Overview section. If you're not logged in, you'll have to log in, no big deal. And click on the Performance tab. And if you want to see which keywords your website is ranking for, scroll down to this section that says Queries. So here I can see that my website is ranking for Best WordPress Image Compression. Got 25 impressions off this search, 0 clicks. So this is cool. I can see all the words that I'm ranking for, but it's kind of difficult to take action on it. It's a little bit convoluted. I didn't bury it too deep, but I do have to remember to click on over on Performance and then scroll down to Queries, make sure I'm not on one of the other tabs down here. And if I click further into that Best WordPress Image Compression keyword, I can't even tell which page that's going to, maybe because this keyword didn't get any clicks. So this information is certainly available here, but you don't have the most user-friendly access to this information. So this is one way to find out what keywords you're ranking for. But if you've got All-in-One SEO installed, a much easier way is to do it right from the Search Statistics section of All-in-One SEO. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO Setup Wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at AIOSEO.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. Then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, let's head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on the link that says Search Statistics. Search Statistics is a powerful tool that pulls information directly from Google Search Console, and it pulls it into the WordPress admin, so you're in the perfect location to take action on the information it provides. We have another video on our YouTube channel that dives into all of the features. You should see a link popping up to that video right about now. But right now, what we're looking at is the dashboard. The dashboard kind of gives you an overview of all of the features in Search Statistics. So this first one here is just showing us our SEO statistics. This little graph over here, very colorful, is showing us our keyword positions, Blue is the main thing we would like to see more of. This is showing us any keywords that we are ranking position 1, 2, or 3. So if I saw a lot more blue in this graph, this website would be doing a lot better. Below that, keyword rankings. Post optimization is showing us at a glance areas that we could improve. So what I can see very quickly from looking at this is I have 108 pages that don't have a focus key phrase. That's a very easy win. Just set a focus key phrase on those pages and start optimizing for that key phrase. And then below that, we have content performance. But in today's video, what I want to show you is how do I see what keywords I'm ranking for. So on the tabs up top, let's click on the tab that says Keyword Rank Tracker. And this is dropping us right into the rank tracker. Keyword Rank Tracker, you can actually add keywords that are important to your business and keep an eye on them here. So instead of showing us what keywords we're doing really great for or not doing great for, we can specifically focus on the ones that are important to our business. So in this example, I've added a handful of keywords here around t-shirts. Here's white t-shirt, red t-shirt, blue t-shirt, and then a handful of keywords around SEO. So I've got best WordPress image compression, SEO title, image SEO. These are the things that are important to me and that I want to track. But before you get to this step, if you just want to know simply, hey, what keywords am I ranking for? Then click on the tab that says All Keywords. So this is telling me that my site is ranking for 7 total keywords, 21 impressions in search, average position of 46. Now keep in mind, this is just a demo site. It does live on the World Wide Web, but no one's promoting it. There's no backlinks. It's just sitting out there. If you're a large e-commerce site, you'd probably see hundreds or thousands of keywords instead of 7. But it does make it easy to demo this feature because we're not going to be lost in data here. So if I scroll down, we can see the actual keywords that I'm ranking for, including best WordPress image compression. That's pretty cool. Position of 95. Not so great, but it's showing me here that I'm climbing the rankings. Best WordPress image compression plugin. I am slipping in the rankings. If we scroll back up to that Keyword Rank Tracker tab and click on the Rank Tracker sub-tab, this is where we can manually add keywords and keep an eye on them here. We can see I have white t-shirt, red t-shirt, blue t-shirt. Let's say I also wanted to track my position for black t-shirt. It's as simple as clicking the Add Keywords button, and I can type in black t-shirt and go ahead and add that keyword. So now I am tracking black t-shirt as well. So now we know where we can see what keywords our site is ranking for, as well as where we can keep an eye on the most important keywords to our business in Keyword Rank Tracker. And this is just the first step in your SEO journey. So now that you're armed with that knowledge, you can take action to improve the SEO of your content for keywords you're currently ranking for, or try to rank for keywords you're not ranking for. Let's head on over to my post section. I'm just going to pull up this first post here called SEO Conference. And then if we click on the All In One SEO button/icon up top, and go ahead and click on General. I click on Focus Key Phrase here, and this page does not even have a focus key phrase. If you remember back from our All Keywords section, we were not ranking for SEO Conference, yet we have this piece of content about an SEO conference. So why don't we go ahead and make the focus key phrase SEO Conference. I'm going to click Add Focus Key Phrase, and then we get this checklist here of all the things that we could be working on to improve the SEO of this page. So that first step is to find out what keywords you're ranking for, and then armed with that information, you can start optimizing the SEO of your content using All In One SEO. This powerful checklist here to give you the best opportunity possible to rank for the keywords you want to rank for. So that's how to figure out what keywords your website is ranking for. If you don't already have our awesome All In One SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to edit a robots.txt file. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All In One SEO.